Welcome to Physics World. In today's class, we are going to discuss about reflection of light at curved surfaces, the last two topics which have been left in this chapter. And the students, those who are new to see this chapter, it's my suggestion, personal suggestion is that once you go through the part 1, part 2 and part 3. Because if you go directly with part 4, maybe you'll get a lot of confusion. You will not get the clarity. So, after watching the first 3 videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, you will get the clarity. And if you have any doubts, just you can make a comment also. Let's start the class. What are the topics today we are going to be discussing in today's class? That are, what is magnification, derive the formula of magnification, and some numericals based on magnification. Okay, let's start. What is magnification? So what is magnification? Magnification defined as the ratio of the height of the image. Means here we are taking two heights. You know, you got the idea after studying the sign convention rule. You know that what is height of the image, what is height of the object. It is not the new word for you. So here, magnification, if you want to define, in short, we can say that the height of the image is divided by height of the object. And there is an important formula for magnification. That is m is equal to hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. So, first of all, I write the definition. Magnification is defined as the ratio of the height of the image, ratio of the height of the image is divided by height of the object. Means we are taking the height of the image and is divided by height of the object. So what is this? This is nothing but magnification. Sometimes the definition comes from 1 mark. Just remember height of the image divided by height of the object. But how we should write this formula? Small m stands for magnification. Expand this magnification. Hi by ho means height of the image divided by height of the object. Actually, height of the image. So here we can write minus v by u. Means small m represents magnification. Hi means height of the image divided by height of the object. Means what is the height of this image and what is the height of the object. And v stands for image distance and u stands for object distance. That we have to prove. Let us prove this in the derivation. So, derive the formula for magnification. My dear friends, it's so easy to derive the formula. Sometimes this formula comes for 2 marks in exam. How to draw? How to draw the diagram, and with the help of diagram, within 2 or 3 steps, I will show you how to prove this formula of magnification. So first of all, you have to draw the concave mirror. This is the outside part. It is a polished surface. Sorry, this is a hard surface. This is a hard surface. Inside is a reflecting surface, polished surface. Now you should draw the principal axis. Mention the terms pole, focus, and center of curvature. You getting the point? Where you have to place object? Remember the first ray diagram. The first case of concave mirror. The object is beyond the center of curvature. The object is beyond the center of curvature. And in this case, you should not apply rule 1 and rule 2. If you apply rule 1 and rule 2, you never get the similar triangles. We are using the concept of similar triangles for proving this formula. So, you can go through rule 1 and rule 4. What is rule 1? The incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, and the reflected ray passes to the focus. It's clear? Yes. This is rule 1. Incident rays parallel, reflected rays partial to the focus. Now don't go with rule 3 or rule 2. Why? Because you never get the similar triangle. Because they are using the concept of similar triangles. So you can go with rule 4. Rule 4 says that the rays fall directly on the pole and reflects from the pole. Yes, in this way. So this is your rule 4. So here you got the image. See carefully. So what is the height of the object? What are you taking? At bottom you write A, on the top of the can you write B. The image you got reflected because this is a concave mirror. You will get A dash, B dash. See here. This A went above and B came down. So what is the height we are taking for the object? That is AB. For the image is inverted A dash, B dash. So my dear students, in this diagram you can see two similar triangles. What is that? ABP. Can you see this triangle? ABP. And second triangle A dash, B dash, B. See. There are two similar triangles. We are using the concept of similar triangles. We have been studied in 7th class about triangles in mathematics. Okay, so there are two similar triangles. What is the first one, madam? ABP. See, ABP triangle ABP, and one more triangle you can see A dash, B dash, B. This is one for object, one for image. Triangle A dash, B dash, B. Compare the ratio of the heights of the object and image. What is the height of the object? AB by what is the height of the image? A dash, B dash. How much the distance covered by the object on the axis? A to B, AP. The distance of the image A dash, B. So easy, once again see. Compare the ratio of the height of the object by image. What is the height of the object? AB. Image is AB divided by A dash, B dash is equal to what is the distance covered by the object? AP. And what is the distance covered by the image? A dash, B. Now take the reciprocal. Reciprocal. So what do you get? Denominator goes to numerator. Numerator comes to denominator. A dash, B dash by AP. A dash, B dash by AB. A dash, P by AP. After the reciprocal you will get like this. Now if I ask you what is A dash, B dash? A dash, B dash is nothing but height of the image. You will represent A dash, B dash with HI. Very good, comma. AB is nothing but height of the object. So my dear student, what you can write? HO we can write. What is A dash P? This is the image distance, V. A dash P is equal to V. What is AP? Object distance. So AP is equal to U. I can take this as equation 1. So we will drop this definition to make some place. Now substitute this, but before substituting you have to apply the sign convention. Apply the sign convention. Apply the sign convention. After applying the sign convention, what happens? Because you know that where is the image? Below the axis. If anything, the last point says in sign convention, the height of the object, the height of the image taken as negative below the axis. So you know that your A dash, B dash is equal to minus HI. You are getting the point. Your where is the object on the axis? It will plus only. A is equal to HO. You know that image distance, object distance. Which mirror it is? It is concave mirror. I said you already in the last class. U will be negative, V will be negative, F will be negative, R will be negative. Remember this point. So according to this, if it is concave mirror, everything is negative. So we can write as A dash P is equal to minus V, AP is equal to U. Substitute this values in equation 1. and we get the result. Substitute the values in equation 1. Okay. After substituting the values in equation, what we get? A dash, B dash, after applying sign convention, it became minus hi divided by AB is nothing but height of the object, it is plus or d, is equal to, what is A dash P? Nothing but minus V, image distance. And what is object distance? That is minus U. Means, according to sign convention, height of the image minus height of the object is above the axis plus height of the image below the axis minus U, V, F, R, every term here negative only. We already have been discussed in the previous class. So, if you see, is equal to z in middle. So, this minus of height of the image and this minus of object distance get cancelled. Numerator, denominator, minus get cancelled. So, therefore, m is equal to magnification hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. This is one of the important derivation, and we can say the formula which is going to come in exam. See once again, the height of the image below the axis minus hi after applying sign convention. Height of the object above the axis it is plus. So we can write as it is. What is the image distance? We represent with v. Here we wrote v after applying sign convention. It's coming in negative, okay? Minus v, and object distance minus v. So is equal to this in the middle. So this minus of height of the image and this minus of object distance, numerator minus denominator minus get cancelled. And what is remain? M is equal to hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. Let us complete one numerical based on this formula. This is helpful for you. The numerical also will come in exam for 4 marks. Let us go through the numerical. Before doing a numerical, I should see the textbook because the question I should write. So we are writing a question purpose in textbook. So numerical. Compulsory numerical comes for 4 marks in exam. Let us see what is the example. It is in your textbook, page number 40. Okay. An object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, okay, of focal length 15 centimeter dot. At what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image. Find the size of the image. Find the size of the image. Okay. So we will solve this problem, and it's so easy. It is depend on sign convention rule. Okay. Let us start this problem. Objects 4 cm in size. Now what is the meaning of size? Size is nothing but height. Yes. Bring the terms outside. Whenever you do such kind of problems in physics, whatever, don't worry that always for this much lengthy question it is, how to solve this, it is not possible with me. No, be relaxed. What is there in this? Try to read the question carefully, and what are the terms given, bring them outside. Be relaxed. In easy way you can solve this. I will help you, don't worry. An object. Maybe the object is candle. Right? Now, and candle 4 centimeter in size. Size is nothing but the height. Is placed at 45 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Which mirror? In front of a concave mirror. You have a concave mirror. In front of concave mirror, you kept the object. So, what is 4 centimeter first? 4 centimeter nothing but height of the object. Because object is nothing but candle. Join this O with H. HO is equal to 4 centimeter, comma. Is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Means if it is a concave mirror, from here to here placed this. So what is the total distance here? That is 25 centimeter. Total length 25. So that is nothing but what? That is U. U is equal to, that is object distance. U is equal to 25 centimeter, comma. What is the focal length? Small f represent with small f is equal to 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to get a sharp image? Means what is the sharp image? Means image distance. So V is equal to question mark. And last one, find the size of the image. Size is nothing but, once again, height of the image. So we should write comma HI is equal to question mark. See carefully. Height of the object given 4 centimeter. Object distance given 25 centimeter. Focal length 15 centimeter given. We don't know image distance. We don't know height of the image. Apply sign convention. Apply the sign convention. Sign convention. Why you applying the sign convention? Why? Because we have studied sign convention for concave and convex mirror. He never said the question to apply, but we are talented person, we know how to apply this. So height of the object means above the axis it is positive only, no need to worry. What is U? 25. After applying sign convention becomes minus 25 centimeter. Because I said you, I gave the hint. If it is concave mirror, everything is negative, everything negative. U, V, F, R. Okay, so focal length also negative, minus 15 centimeter. What you should find? V and, so first you should go with V. Sir, how are you going with V? Because first is saying find the sharp image, then finally you should find the height of the image. Because we have two formulas. Remember that. One is mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U and one magnification formula. M is equal to HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. Example, if you go with this formula, you don't know height of the image, you don't know V, it is not possible. If you have F, you have U. If you find V, it becomes easy for you to find the magnification. Okay. Let's start. So which formula is to take? Mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. All you have to do, don't be in a hurry, be relaxed. You want 1 by V, you want the value of V. So bring this RHS on left hand side and bring this left hand side on right hand side. So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. What to do? Bring this plus 1 by U this side. After that side of is equal to. So what happens? 1 by V is equal to becomes 1 by F as it is. It will become now plus 1 by U become minus 1 by U. Yes. Now, what is V? You don't know. So 1 by V is equal to, what is the value of F beta? F is minus 15. So 1 by minus 15 minus of what is the value of U? U is minus 25. So 1 by V is equal to, take this denominator minus numerator, minus 1 by 15. Minus into minus plus 1 by 25. Let us take the LCM of denominator. Take the LCM of denominators. What is that? LCM of denominators 15, 25. If I take it 5 table common for 15, 25. 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25. So what is that? 5 into 3 into 5. So 5 3 is 15, 15 5 is 75. LCM is 75. So what to do? Now 1 by V is equal to, this 75 is common for both the numbers, for minus 1 by 15 and for plus 1 by 25. So we should multiply minus 1 by 15. Okay, the base is not sufficient here. We will have this part. Okay. So what we should do? I should write 1 by d is equal to minus 1 by 15 into 75 plus 1 by 25 into 75 divided by 75. 15 1 ja, 15 5 ja, 25 1 ja, 25 3 ja. What is left now? 1 by d is equal to minus 1 into 5 minus 5 plus 1 into 3 3 divided by 75. So minus into plus minus. In 5 if 3 goes means 2 will be left. 1 by d is equal to minus 2 by 75. But we don't want 1 by v, we want v. So take reciprocal. If you take reciprocal, what happens? You can write v by 1 means v. V is equal to 75 divided by minus 2. Come on, divide this. 2 divided 75. 2 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 1 5. 2 7 is 14. 5 minus 4 1. 1 1 0. Write your point. You can take 0 here. So 2 5 is 10. So you got the answer in minus. That is v is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. This is the image distance. This is the image distance. Okay. Let us find the magnification, height of the image. So the formula, second formula, m is equal to hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. So we don't know the height of the image. Question mark. Height of the object, we know that is 4 cm. So hi by 4 is equal to what is 1 minus in formula is given minus v. And answer what you got? Image distance minus 37.5. So we have 2 minus. This 1 minus sign and this is 1. So you get minus of what is that? Minus 37.5. This one minus and the value of v, that is minus 37.5. What is the value of u? Minus 25. So for hi by 4, minus into minus plus 37.5 divided by minus 25. Cross multiply. Hi into minus 25 is equal to 4 into 37.5. If you multiply 37.5 into 4, you will get 150. So hi into minus 25 is equal to 150. Therefore, height of the image is equal to 150 divided by minus 25. 25 1 is 25 6. So therefore, the answer we got, that is height of the image, how much that is? Minus 6 centimeter. So this is the height of the image. So, my dear students, successfully we have completed this chapter, reflection of light at curved surfaces. So please share this video, subscribe the channel and give the valuable comment. Your comment need us to improvise ourselves and to show our best videos, upcoming videos for the upcoming chapters. Whatever topics, difficulties for you in the textbook, just you mention it. Definitely will make such videos and will make the easy way to teach you physics and will in a simple way will explain you all this concept and clearly will explain you. So you never get small, in this lockdown period you will never get a small burden also. Just to subscribe this to your friends, and what are the work we are doing for the students in this lockdown from as a part of New Era Academy. The trust of the student have on us that we are doing for best for their life, for the future. And definitely we will do. Definitely the New Era Academy is doing from last 5 years, and in future also we will do lot and will bring the good result and good marks, so you can enjoy, your parents can enjoy, and you will feel you will get a good name in the society and your future is bright. So thank you for seeing this video. And today we completed reflection of light at curved surface.